Hi, it's Jimmy. Today I am going to show you how to create a new file on your Mac fast and easy. Let me give you a quick demo. You are now looking at a Finder window in any folder. Press your shortcut, for example F3. A prompt will appear asking for the file name. Fill in the name and extension you want for your new file. Press OK. Your new file will be created instantly. Now, let me show you how to set this up. First, open the Automator app. Select New Document, then choose Quick Action. Under Workflow Receive, set it to No Input in Finder. Search for and select Run AppleScript. Now clear everything in the white box, then copy the AppleScript from my video description and paste it into the box. Save your quick action with any name you like. Then open the Finder app. At the top left corner, click Finder, Services, Services Setting. In the window that appears, expand the General section and look for the quick action you just created. On the right hand side, double-click the None area. Then, press the keyboard shortcut you like to use. I am using F3, but feel free to choose whatever works best for you. Before testing, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and select Accessibility, and make sure it's enabled for Finder. Then, go to Automation, and make sure Finder is permitted to control system events. Now, let's test this out. Open a Finder window, navigate to any folder, press your assigned shortcut, enter the file name and extension. See, your new file is created instantly. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more macOS tricks that I use in my daily life. Thank you and have a good day.